In bathrooms, a wet door handle should be more comforting than a dry one.
Golf is most likely the only time where you actually want to be subpar.
You can cool off or cool down, but you can only heat up.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
Cameras keep improving yet movies keep reducing raw camera scenes.
The popularity of mineral water and iron cookware is because it reduces the severity of iron deficiency in unaware anemic people.
Women are taught their opinion doesn't matter, and men are taught their feelings don't matter.
Thanks to Bluetooth earpieces, people with delusional disorder just blend into society.
More pixelated images have less pixels.
All new phones are advertised from the back.
The friends hardly laugh at Chandler's jokes. Without the laugh track, he's just a jerk.
With the exception of water, all drinks are energy drinks.
Nothing sounds as nonsensical as a flying disc.
A trend doesn't start until the second person does it.
Many people take for granted that, unlike most other animals, we can itch almost every place on our body.
A zombie with braces has a weapon upgrade.
Nice smells aren't strong enough to stay, but bad smells will linger forever.
Earthquakes don't kill people, buildings do.
As far as a species that is thriving, and by far leads humans in population, ants might think they dominate Earth.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Vacuuming is fun, it's just the preparation you have to do to make the room vacuumable that sucks.
Serial killers are people who consistently let their intrusive thoughts win.
Somewhere out there exists the most average human who satisfies the highest number of statistical averages.
You'd think at some point we'd have adapted to find the sound of snoring relaxing.
Every heartbeat is a reminder of the body's silent symphony, where every organ is an instrument playing its part, unappreciated until one goes out of tune.
Retired intelligence officers could be leaking all manner of classified information to disbelieving nursing home staff. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you like the soothing background music in my calming voice, then check out my other podcast called Terra Vitae, a daily guided meditation podcast. Embark on tranquil journeys through diverse natural landscapes, exploring the serenity and healing power of the natural world. Search for daily guided meditation and look for Terra Vitae, or check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.